Okay, I've gone ahead and added the style to all my buttons, and you can see now the margins look fine. And I can go ahead in here and just set in one place the margin for those buttons, and they all change. Now, I haven't done the CLR, that was a bit of an oversight, so I'll fix that up in a moment. So that's one part. The other part, of course, is I want to go ahead and actually apply this gradient effect onto these other buttons as well. So to do that, it's not dissimilar to what we've already done. I'm going to go down and find the XAML code that was created for me when I was adjusting the settings for the linear gradient brush, and here they are here. And I'm going to copy out those settings. I'm not going to take the button background part, but just the linear gradient brush. Copy that. I'm going to go back up to the top here into the Windows resources, go below the style that I've already created, and paste them in there. Now I need to give this linear gradient brush a name so that I can apply it to controls. So I'm going to say X key equals numeric button background. Now again, because of the way my controls work on my application, these are all sort of whatever you want to call it, I guess. They're sort of shadowed there and you can't see them very clearly, but they are working. Right, now I need to go ahead and apply that linear gradient brush to another button. So let's say, for example, I want to apply it to the plus button here. So I'll select that one. I'll go into the properties panel here and find the background setting for this particular button. And there it is there. Again, I'm going to click on the little box next to it. I'm going to go down to local resource, and you can see there is numeric button background. So I'm going to select it. And you'll notice as soon as I did that, that the plus button inherited that background. And similarly to what I did before, I'm going to change it from a dynamic resource to a static one. Now I'm going to apply the same principle I did with the margin. I'm going to copy that bit of code now, and I'm going to paste that into anywhere where I have a button. So if I go back up here, where are we? Go across a bit, and let's go up to the first row, for example, and at the end there, before the close tag, I'm just going to paste in that style, like so. And you can see that those buttons now are inheriting that particular color scheme. I'll keep repeating that until I'm done.